Okay. And we're live. Hello, hello. Okay, so I'm not going to talk very much today. I am looking for good trades today. And we're looking at NUWE.
I am a consistently profitable day trader. I obey all my rules. I hold winning trades and lock in substantial profits. I'm a multi-million-dollar trader. I have ice water for blood. I execute without fear.
And hi, my name is Carolyn. Hi, my name is Carolyn Savage. Welcome to the live, and we're going to be looking for stocks to trade that are under $10. And I'm trading in two accounts. So this is just a paper trading account here, so I can just show you what Thinkorswim looks like. And then we're taking trades in my prop firm account, looking to pass an evaluation that's $25,000. And so the goal is to make $1,500, and then you'll pass the evaluation. So let's go. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to Thinkorswim here. Okay, so
I obey all my rules. I hold winning trades and lock in substantial profits. I'm a multi-million-dollar trader. I have ice water for blood. I execute without fear.
It doesn't have any news, and it was low volume, I think. Let me see. Let me look at this one. Yeah, so I want a better setup. I know there's something better out there. Okay, more traders. Something might pop off. I think yesterday, all they had is some kind of, there was really no news today. CYN. Let me see what's up with this one. So let's mark up this chart.
When they trade for a while, it goes something like this. I am a consistently profitable day trader. I obey all my rules. I hold winning trades and lock in substantial profits. I'm a multi-million-dollar trader. I have ice water for blood. I execute without fear. No FOMO.
Okay, so let's see. What was I gonna say? This one had some news on. What the news was. Oh yeah, triples. So it says the sales triple. Yeah, so it's triple, which is good in 2025. Tugger, triples, drive, bug, tugger, and those are some kind of what was it? Oh, the autonomous driving, the self, yeah. So the autonomous driving cars. So it looks like, to me, I see it 240 with support, 368. Higher day this morning, pre-market was about 7:30. I write the time down. So it wasn't too long ago. Can it come back or not? 297 is VWAP, so I write that down. And you can't see my journal right now, but I'm writing in this journal. This is my day trading playbook journal. It's a really good journal to buy. Large size. I like the 8.5 by 10. And so it's about mastering your mindset and creating my own strategy, because I always kind of copied off of like Ross Cameron's strategy, or I would copy other, the trading channel, shout out to the trading channel, shout out to Ross Cameron, a warrior trading, but I would copy theirs, and then I try to do my best, but like that micro pool, but I just didn't seem to quite get in at the right point, so I just said, let me just, everybody has their own way of trading, so I'm just learning how I trade my emotions and what's the best for me, so that's why I want to help you with this, is to, what's the watch list? Today's CEST watch list strategy. But check out my video on this journal that I use, and there'll be more videos to come. So I always just write out as I'm trading my emotions. Right now, this is down trading, so I'm gonna leave this stock alone for a minute. But I'm gonna write out what I see. I'm gonna write out the text on it. So if it does get above this breakout point here, about 282, I'm gonna put that here. And then VWAP is 296, so I really don't want to get in this trade until 296, but maybe it'll kind of come back. if it has enough volume, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna put an alert because it's not giving me what I want. Let's see.
Roller coasters, on there. Up and down they go, chasing all the highs, surfing every low. Skate or trade, it's all the same flow.
Okay, let's see. So yeah, that's not looking too good at all. So let's just do that. We might be doing some shorts today, baby. So if it dips below, yeah, shoot. Set it up for a short because it could go down to 214 or so.
The wheels hum low on a cracked up street. Concrete whispers under my
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to my live. My name is Carolyn Savage, and I've been day trading for 4 years. And trading in the paper account here, working on my strategy. But then at the same time, I am using Trade the Pool so that I can. I like the Thinkorswim charting better, so I use that. And then I just use this here to get into the trade. So I'll use this to get into the trade. And see how this, you can do your limit order, stop loss, all that. It's OCO doesn't really work. Trailing stop, I don't think I really use that either. But I've just been using limit stop, and I'll use market too. Market, because it just seems like it takes too long to get in. I don't have time for that. So I don't know, I don't have enough patience to wait. So here is my top gainers. I don't trade anything under like $1, so I'm not trading that one. And then this one's going down. Anything good? Come on, IVF, let's go. VWAP, it's way below, so it's a short one today. It's about short. IVF, let's look for some shorts. Say 122. IVF, Jesus. IVF. That one hit that 165 support. Now we're back up. IVF, what was up with that one? IVF was really no news. It had a reverse split. I saw that way back in November, but nothing cracking over here. Let's see. So my rules are for it to get above VWAP, and then what I want it to do is do a break. So it's a break of structure, but in this case, I want it to come up to here. If it gets above 203, great, and then if it breaks through 212, then I will get in this trade and hopefully go to like 250 or more. And then see here, the RSI, I want that to be at like 68 to 70, and then I want this MACD to open. So let's see. Okay, was this one cracking? I think this one's cracking. Yeah, let's go. So let's see. 483 is support. Which one is this one? NAM. 483. High day was yesterday, 559. Really no news. And now it's 496, which is good. Resistance is 529. So maybe if this gets over like 517 to 529, and then see if we can get above that. See how this is closed. So I'm being really patient nowadays. It's MACD is to see how it's going down, converging. So you want it to be going up, and then I want this to be going up. So, and see this big old red, so I don't like that either. So if I was going to do some shorts today, maybe I will wait for it to do this one more time, 508 maybe, and tank back down. Or I'm not even going to do it like that. When I do a short now, see, this is great. That really almost broke it. So if it gets to 468, up.
clock won't wait. The wheels hum low on a cracked up street. Concrete whispers under my feet. Slide, glide, life's got its own beat.
Yeah, wait for it to get to 460 first.
Up and down they go, chasing all the highs, surfing every low.
Oh shit, see, I should have got into that damn thing.
Skate or trade, it's all the same flow.
Let me minimize this. Then I minimize this one. I should have got in that trade, shit. That's why the new me is patient. The new me is like, I'm not just gonna jump in right now because I missed it. I'm not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. So let's see what we're gonna do. I said I was gonna wait. Let me see. I would wait for it to bounce back. Maybe it'll bounce back up to 60, 460 or so, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's see what it'll do. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys doing this morning? I'm usually on TikTok, and it's just not working out for me to be on TikTok. So something's pushing me to come to YouTube and do this. So that one is NAMM. We're gonna go look at this one. Okay, CYM. What's up with CYM? Okay, that one's not looking good. So I'm looking for an uptrend. That's why I keep switching it. And this is not looking good. If I wanted to short this, great. So this one could be a short and get down to 208 or something like that. So this one, CYN, did have good news. So that's why it's like, this one probably will keep back up. I think it will. Let me put the alert down here so I'll move this alert when it starts to heat up maybe. I think it will, because it has good news. Okay, let's just put it to 263 or something like that. Replace that. Okay, what's NAM doing? Up. Okay, maybe when it gets up a little higher. So let's see, in the journal, what we're gonna write out. Concrete whispers under my feet. Slide, glide, life's got its own beat. Roller coaster lines, up and down they go, chasing all the highs, surfing every low. Skate or trade, it's all the same flow. So I'm just writing in my journal just what I see, and then I'm seeing like what it try to get back. This has been support which it broke, so if it gets maybe up to 464, that's my guess. Maybe it will test this again and fake us out and go back down. So then I can get in at like 460. Let's try that. Flicker screens in the morning light. Charts rise and fall like a bird in flight. I can get in at 460, maybe 460.
The wheels hum low on a cracked up street. Concrete whispers under my feet.
And take profit down here at 441 or so.
Roller coaster lines, up and down they go, chasing all the highs, surfing every low. Skate or trade, it's all the same flow.
456. That's what I was saying. Let me see. $467 is the highest sale here. 464. That means they're waiting on their the seller is gonna say, hey, this is my stop loss at 466. So I think we should get in.
Concrete whispers under my feet. Slide, glide, life's got its own beat. Roller coaster lines, up and down they go, chasing all the highs, surfing every low. Skate or trade, it's all the same flow.
So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's up on the 1 minute. That's why I was like, let me try to do it still at 60.
Flicker screens in the morning light. Child's rise and fall like a bird in flight. Click, click,
Oh,
tick,
look
the
at
clock
that.
won't
Is
wait.
that real?
The wheels hum
Okay, so it's down on the 1 hour. That's what we're looking for. The time frame is the same. Down on the 1 hour.
Roller coaster lines, up and down they
Down
go,
on the 15
chasing
minute.
all the highs,
Oh.
surfing every
Let's see.
low. Skate or trade, it's all the same flow.
It won't change for me. Is this? Let's see. Damn it. Come on. Don't do this to me.
Flicker screens in the morning light. Charts rise and fall like a bird in flight. Click, click, tick, the clock won't wait. The wheels hum low on a cracked up street. Concrete whispers under my feet. Slide, glide, life's got its own beat. Roller coaster lines, up and down they go, chasing all the highs, surfing every low. Skate or trade, it's all the same flow.
This one's pushing it up on the 15 minutes, but it's still down low.
Flicker screens in the morning light. Charts rise and fall like a bird in flight. Click, click, tick, the clock won't wait. The wheels hum low on a cracked up street. Concrete whispers under my feet. Slide, glide, life's got its own beat. Roller coaster lines, up and down they go, chasing all the highs, surfing every low. Skate or trade, it's all the same flow.
463. And I put my stop in here of like 4, I'm just gonna say 460. So it went down.
The wheels hum low on a cracked up street. Concrete whispers under my feet. Slide, glide, life, sky is on beat.
Let me know if you guys have any questions in the chat.
Up and down they go, chasing all the highs, surfing every low.
Yeah, let me know if you have any questions.
It's all the same flow.
So we're just waiting on that one. Let's see. Okay, let's go back to this screen. What's the market looking like? So this is the market. Overall, kind of greenish. And then this one is what? What are we in now? So see how I said, okay, it went up to 471, then it has a higher low here. But will it drop down? I probably not. So maybe that's a low. See, buys down here, the same as me, see? That's a good thing. Oh, good. See, it's going down. It's going down. 440. 435 was this candle, 440. So let's see what happens. 422. 422 is in. So then this is the position that I'm in, 463. Got 300 shares and we're going for 440. So I'm in that trade. I always write out. I have another journal. One of these days, maybe I'll provide my journal. Another journal, I always write the date and I write every single thing. I write how I'm in this trade, and then you're gonna write the symbol, you're gonna write your take profit, so you're writing all of those things out, and then that's just data to see how well I'm doing with the strategy. If I go short, it's a break of structure because it's a downtrend, as you saw, downtrend, and then it broke support and then went below that. Then I wanted it to test this for above 460. And I wanted to get up there above that 460 and then try to see if we can drop back down. So I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know why I talk like that. Anyway, I got in because it broke the structure because it had lower lows and lower highs, and so it's doing that. So that's why I kept sticking with this stock. And it was no news today. It's yesterday's news, and so that's why I said buy the rumor, sell the news, buy the rumor, sell the news. It's journal. So we're selling the news today. It was over news yesterday. So got it at 463, 300 shares, and we're short. And I take profit. So here is my working order, and so it lets you know that my stop loss is 468. If it goes too high, I'm going to get out at 468. That's only 5 cents, and my take profit is 441. 441 is my take profit. So that then you sell it, and then you buy it down at 441. 441, and we hope that it raises that. And if it doesn't, who cares? Keep trading. There we go. So let's go. So hopefully that'll work out, and then because it's 15-minute candle is down, MACD is down, and then we have the 1 hour, I think it's down now. See that? And so here is this 431. If it breaks that, we're really great. See 430, 428, 431. Let's say that with all the little tips about here. Let's say 436, and then that's good. So see how now it created a lower. Let me go back over here. Right here, see this? It created a lower high, and then it should do a lower low. Hopefully, and then it looks like maybe If it comes down all the way down to see this bottom here, then it might continue to creep down. So this is a good strategy for trading a prop firm. Is like the next day look for stocks that were way up and then by a certain percent, like over like 50% or more, 100%, and then look for the ones that are actually still up, but then they start to tank. So that's going to be great. So watching this, oops, I don't know why my screen didn't change. Let's see how this goes. So we're going to add this scene, oh, let me see. Okay, we want to add this for the entire screen. But yeah, I'm sorry, I want to let you see my screen. Ooh, good, it did it. Good job. So see, it worked. Okay, let me see. Let me let you see it. Let me see. Entire screen. Roller coaster lines up and down they go. Chasing all the highs, surfing every low. We did it. Don't know why it's not working. So let me show you. Dang it. I hate that. We're gonna get this YouTube thing together, girl. Okay, see this? Can you see the screen, you guys? Not sure why that's not showing. How do you do this scene? Flicker screens in the morning light. Child's rise and fall like a bird in flight. Click, click, tick, the clock won't wait. The wheels hum low on a cracked up street. Concrete whispers under my feet. Slide, glide, life's got its own beat. Roller coaster lines up and down they go. Chasing all the highs, surfing. Okay, so we did it. That's the only trade I feel like I'm taking today. We're just taking one trade. Not sure, you guys, what's going on. Sorry about that. Let's see. Flicker screens in the morning light. Child's rise and fall like a bird in flight. Click, click, tick, the clock won't wait. The wheels hum low on a cracked up street. Concrete whispers under my feet. Slide, glide, life's got its own beat. Roller coaster lines up and down they go. We're gonna mess around with chasing all the highs, surfing every low. Where are you guys? Black. Okay, there. Is that it? Okay. We got the screen. Okay, there we go, you guys. Okay, so look at this. It broke the structure, awesome. And what do we know? Then more, see, now some buyers are coming in, but broke the structure here. Ah, shit. It broke the structure here. Look at that. So that's, I looked at this because what I did was looked at the market structure, and the hour candle was down, the 15-minute was down, and then the 5-minute time frame was down. And then I wanted it to test 460 because that's always a psychological point. And then also this was about support down here. See that? And so it couldn't get back up to VWAP. If it would have got up to VWAP, then I would have not gotten that trade, but it didn't. And so it went up to like 470 and then it tanked. So that's exactly what I wanted it to do. And so I was able to take that trade. And this is the trade that I took. As you can see. So yeah, now it's creeping down some more, but I feel like I'm just going to take one trade today, and I'll show you. Okay. Yeah, so I'll just take one trade, and then tomorrow you can see my stats. I try not to just focus on PM, but that one trade was good. I think it worked out, held it long enough, and if you want to keep on holding this trade, you can. This is NAMM. Yeah, so this all tells you, you know, all systems are down. So yeah, I got so much stuff to do today. I'm just gonna take one trade. It's nice out there today. Taking a walk. I think I will. Take a walk. But yeah, that's it. See, I started today at what time? 8:30, and I'm done at 10. So we're done. As far as the live go, once more people come onto the live, then I'll stay to about 11. And then if you guys have any questions, let me know. And so we can keep watching it. So see, you get this hammer candle. It probably will go up again and maybe test the 460 or 455. Sometimes it'll go up even higher and then bounce back down. But like in this case, see. But the other ones I chose IVF. Okay, so IVF, see how everything is kind of taken today that we see. IVF, CYN didn't do too much. Maybe it'll heat up later. See, maybe if these stocks too, if it had like this one, CYN had good news, and then what it'll do is it'll come back maybe later, but we'll see it. And I put in alert for 265 to get above that, but it may just get down to this bottom and head back up, so we'll look at that one later. But thank you guys for watching the live. That's a short little live there, and I just made one trade today. Sometimes you get some trades where there's days where you want to get in 5, 6, 7 trades, man, because there's so many things moving. And then sometimes if you're a long bias trader, which I am, but in these days like this, I wouldn't even trade. I'll keep looking for trades until I see something that I can trade, and I can see that it's going to go, price is going to go up higher, and I can be good to go. So see this one. Yeah, see that one kept tanking, so I could have done this one too, but I just like the way that NAMM was setting up. So like I said, some days you're just going to sit on your hands for a while, and then there's some days where 5, 6 stocks are moving, so you want to get in all of them. So you just want to be patient and write down everything. Like I said, write it in my playbook journal, and then you're going to write out what your strategy. I just wrote out NANM. I said I would get in at 460-ish, and then I'm going to get out at 441. So I wrote it down in my journal, so that lets me know that that's, I see what my strategy is setting up, and that this really helps me to remember where to get in, what to do, instead of just as soon as it moves, I react. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I go live once a week. Sometimes it's pretty random, so put the notification on. But anyway, so I'll see you guys soon, and let me know what kind of things you guys want me to talk about. I do a lot of journaling and meditation, so I talk about obeying your trading rules, and then also your setting your stop loss and risk management. And I really believe that that's how you pass a prop firm, or just get to the next level in your trading account. So see you guys on the next video.
Screams in the morning light, charge rise and fall like a bird in flight.